What's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. And today I'm going to be going over my weekly recap for the week of 9/9/24, which started obviously on Monday. And let's go on Monday real quick. And this week was pretty hectic for me because it was first day of school, first week of school. I had to adapt and see which teacher would let me slide trading because obviously I have to do it sneakily on my laptop. I can't just be doing it while the teacher's teaching a lesson. So that's why it was a little bit hectic. I had to adapt. So this week it was a break-even week. I didn't make money or I didn't lose money either. I just kind of stayed in the middle. But I guess that's to be expected for the first week of school. But next week is gonna be really good. Hopefully, I'm not gonna jinx it though. Anyways, Monday, I was bearish. Why was I bearish? Let's go check real quick on the daily buys chat. So 9/9. All right, right here, boys. I'm bearish today. I think confident that price is going to go down. Our daily profile is showing heavy bearishness. We have SMT in the hourly plus internal SMT 15 minute. We're going down, boys. Looking for sales today most likely. So I knew we were gonna go down today. And what happened on Monday? Look, read the time on this. 7:44 a.m. What time is this? This is 9:30. Okay. So I predicted we were gonna go down in the AM session before we even entered the AM session. So we had this Judas swing up, big breakdown. Okay, breakdown. I was so confident in bearishness. The only thing the only reason I didn't enter this was this. If I lost this, because this displacement. So first of all, we had SMT on the 15 minute on this, but we didn't have internal SMT. So that was one thing that was missing from my piece. Number two, this displacement right here was not strong enough for me to just enter off of, so I had to wait for this candle to form. And by the time this candle formed, we were respecting the first fair value gap we had made. Like this is the first fair value gap we made after 9:30. We were respecting it perfectly, so that would have been too risky. But even then, I was down if we had entered this fair value gap. But then I realized if I had lost this trade, I would have lost 2,000. So I'm like, now I'm good off of that. I'll get more setups like this. Like, it's no big deal. I just don't want to risk losing $2,000 and losing my account. So after that, what do you know? We go straight down just like how I predicted, but I just didn't. I wasn't in part of any of that move. Next, let's go to Tuesday. I have to make this quick because Bandicam has a freaking limit on me for 10 minutes. Tuesday, let's see, 9/10. Okay, 8:18 a.m. Buys a bit conflicted, so I was pretty conflicted right here. So I kind of updated them right here. Alright, a little update for y'all. I'm pretty bullish. Daily SMT, 4 hour CE of weight perspective, 1 hour strong displacement. We should go up. I want to see 9:30 Judah swing down. So I wanted to see Judah swing down at 9:30. Actually, I predicted this exact move, so I knew we were going to go up, hit 4 hour CE, which was right here somewhere, and then drop down for the Judah swing. Then I wanted the move up to happen. This was no news day, and so was Monday. Monday was also no news. This was also no news, but this one was before CPI. So this Tuesday was before CPI, which really messed me up because obviously, as you can see, it's just all chop action. Like this is not ideal price action, but this is just chopping around. What I saw was SMT, even though these do look like relatively equal lows, and that's another one of my mistakes. I realized I should wait for stronger SMT, but we reacted off of the new day opening gap with SMT, strong displacement with a fair value gap. My entry was over here because I got in prematurely. That's my fault. My stop was originally set over here. When I saw a reaction off of this fair value gap to the upside, I put my stop right at the intermediate term low. I didn't want to see price go through that because if it did, then I knew my I didn't want to risk getting stopped out. Got stopped out right there. We went up a little bit and then boom, crashed down to the lows. So yeah, that one was a little bit of a loss. I think we lost 800 in that trade, or yeah, 800. We lost 800 in that trade. So right now at this point, I'm down like on the week. Okay. Wednesday was my best day. Okay. I made 1,400 on Wednesday. 1,400 on Wednesday. I took 3 trades and all 3 were winners. 2 of the trades were kind of like really bad setups, but they were just off of my intuition because I really just thought that we were gonna go there. So that's where market experience helped me out. But their third setup was A+ setup perfectly. But let's go on. What is this, Wednesday? So it'll be 9/11. 9/11/2020. Oh, I didn't have a bias for Wednesday, I guess. Because this says 10 p.m. I didn't post a bias. Okay, that's fine. But let's just see what the trades were though, because I don't remember what my bias was honestly. I think I'm pretty sure I was bullish. Okay, because we had no Judah swing to the upside. And I was expecting a Judah swing to the downside, so I do remember me being bullish this day. So what I did right here, first trade with a quick little scalp. I know the RR is not good, but guess what? I still won. Firstly, this is the first fair value gap that was made on Monday. We reacted perfectly off of it. We closed above this candle, made an order block. We reacted perfectly off the order block, and I entered as soon as we re-entered into that order block right here on this blue bullish candle. As soon as the bullish candle hit my red line, enter, and From there, we were in a little bit of drawdown, but my stop loss was this low, and my TP was this high right here, because I knew we had to go up into a fair value gap to see a reaction down. Because we were just respecting a lot of bullish PDRAs. Okay. All right. Number 2 trade. This one was purely off of intuition. Okay. There was a breakaway gap to my left. It was a bullish breakaway gap. And I just knew once price started dumping right here, we were gonna reach for my stop right here, and we were reacting off of the fair value gap, and the breakaway gap was there, which is a very very strong magnet. I took in 3 cons with NQ and made another 300. So this one I made 400. This one I made 300, just off a move down. And then this candle, so I made 300 off of that. I'm up 700. This trade right here, I took on MNQ just because it was later in the day, but the macro did help me out a lot. And by the way, I'm managing like 4 people's accounts right now, so this is just one of them. So don't mind like the balance up here. But what's it called? So we had a clear SMT on these lows. This is not no equal lows like relative to lows like last time. Clear displacement up to the upside. A fair value gap left behind, and I'm pretty sure we had tapped something on the higher time frame that caused this to drive up. I literally called the bottom of the freaking. I think I called the bottom of the year because I don't think we're gonna go down below this point in the whole year, honestly. But we tap into a fair value gap. Boom, 1 to 3 entry. We're in the macro. We have displacement. We have SMT. We have a fair value gap. That's perfect. 1 to 3, take it. Boom. Stop loss right here. TP at the start, at the bottom of the 99 fair value gap. Okay, that's perfect. Next. Let's go next. The Thursday. So let's see what we did Thursday. Thursday. Well, this was the annoying day. I remember what happened. This was so ass. Oh my god, I got edged on my TP here, guys. I was bearish. I'm pretty sure. Let me just check though. Thursday. What day was Thursday? Was it the 12th? It was the 12th. I didn't post on Thursday. I posted just because this was the on the higher time frame buys. This was before I said we were gonna go up, right? You could tell by these lines, and we're gonna go up to these equal highs. And right here is when I said it. We went down a little bit, just how I said, the retrace. Then we went up, and now we're just reaching for those equal highs. Just so you guys know, compare and contrast. But Thursday I was bearish, as you can see. I took a bearish trade. We saw this is consolidation. Then we have this manipulation. We have this distribution. Okay. Then though, this is what made me take this trade. We had this PDRA, bearish PDRA on the high time frame. This sweep right here on the high time frame too. Big displacement, bro. Look at this candle. That is crazy displacement, okay? Crazy displacement. Honestly though, this still was not an A+ setup. There was no internal SMT, and I don't remember why I was bearish. That's what scares me off of this. But I entered off of the breaker because there's no way I'm entering off the start of the fair value gap, which would have been right here. So I saw this breaker. I entered right there on the breaker. And you know, we were in a profit. We almost got stopped out right here. I thought we were reaching right for my stop the way it was moving. But then boom, bro, we dumped straight down. I edged my TP, bro. That shit was so annoying. I mean, I kind of got greedy there. I'm not gonna lie. I should have gotten out like right here at the slow. Got a bit greedy, but oh my god, that shit was so annoying. But anyways, I put my stop loss to break even right after we swept this liquidity because obviously I wasn't gonna be dumb enough to try to like hold throughout the whole trade if we reversed. So I didn't make money. I didn't lose money, but I was up 1250 right here, and I only needed 1400. But so basically 1250 just gone right in front of my eyes. But hey, I didn't lose, I didn't win, so I'll take it. Friday. This is the dumbest trade I've taken, and I actually just recorded this recap. I need to show you guys what I did, okay? Let me just see how much time I got. Alright, I got a minute and a half to talk about. Oh, a minute. So on Friday, basically just know I was what the hell was I, bro? I was bullish on the long run, but I was bearish. I wanted to catch a bearish trade. First we have this manipulation like up that confirms that okay, we're gonna go down. Then we have this orange folder doing this much damage. Then we take out that data high right here, the news high taken. We have displacement. Displacement this here wasn't strong enough because this wick. This right here also wasn't strong enough because of this wick, because it just looked like it swept this low. So I just, you know what I did? It just dumped without me, and I got mad. So I got emotional. So I literally entered right off of this fair value gap, and I told the Discord it was gonna be a bad setup to not take it. So they didn't take it luckily, but I still ended up taking it, and I took a loss. That's my weekly recap. Peace out, guys, because this video is gonna end. Peace. See you guys.